Hello again. I hope you would have found my first video on the tour of Santa Cruz very informative, as I try to sensitize person and different aspect of life in Santa Cruz. But today we want to look at jerk chicken and jerk pork in Santa Cruz. We want to investigate the different vendors near the town center. So we will look at 3 vendors near in the main town center to the stoplight. Come with me now. Let us investigate and see what, they are having for sale. And also join me at the end of the video, for some fact. Scrolling in the town of Santa Cruz, evening a cruise just before 5 o'clock, where that the town life would start to pick up. I'm on my way to the town center to investigate about 3 jerk joint or jerk area. They do pan chicken, and I want to have a perspective on what they do. Some amount of smoke as I enter the area near in KC, indicating that there are a number of jerk pans ready. There are 3 main areas, and you can see the smoke. Smoke is on on one side. Special, you can see some amount of smoke. As I pass the first jerk pan, I'm going down. Right, heading towards the town center. Some amount of traffic. Sun is really high. Moving out, and you can see that there are a number of joints. Even though there's open, your person still trying to enjoy some amount of nightlife. And this is the first joint that I will come and visit in a short while. Alright, so as I go towards the town center trying to get a park. So as we approach the first jerk center, you can see maybe from afar, few patrons nearing, getting close, and you can see the color of the chicken. You can see the operator doing this thing. Preparing, as best as possible, have the chicken properly jerked, sure that there's no blood. In Jamaica we tend to have our chicken well done instead of rare or medium where with blood running or oozing. Right? Tell you, smelling great, smelling really good. Yeah, man, really
That's
good.
the here?
Yeah, man. So how long have you been doing this?
Well, right now, it's a long time though.
Yeah.
Over some 20 years now.
What?
Yeah, man.
It's a long time, man.
Yeah, man. So you know. See them on method,
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, but you may have to groom some person.
People love me jerking, so.
Yeah, okay.
I know, say. Long time I do it, so.
Yes.
I'm doing it good,
Yes.
Yeah, people love it.
That's about 20 years. That's a long time, man.
Yeah, man.
A long time. That means you're a veteran in the business.
Veteran man, right? Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So what you normally serve, the chicken with?
Well, we serve it festival.
Festival.
Now that's the festival started.
Yeah.
We have bread.
Okay.
The bread you can get a quarter of jerk chicken.
Okay. Oh, so the chicken is not soaked,
Right,
all the way through.
And you have your pimento,
Yes.
your garlic,
Yes. Okay.
and you have pepper,
Yeah.
and you have jerk sauce mixed up with
Okay.
it. And that's
So how long you normally make it marinate?
my favorite ketchup,
Okay.
I my work with, yeah, man.
Okay.
Alongside with some barbecue,
Yes.
walk wood sauce,
Yes.
and I think nice,
Okay.
Yeah, man,
Okay.
pepper.
Yeah, man.
So when you come on my place, so you have to get good treatment.
Yes. Sounding good,
Yes,
good,
and
man.
nice finger licking chicken.
Yeah, finger licking. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So what time you normally come out here to start?
Well, normally by 12:30.
Well, okay, and then you go until the curfew
Until
hours,
curfew hours, yeah.
which is about 10 o'clock or 9.
When the curfew at 10, we're
Yes.
till 9.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh,
And
okay.
When the jerk our limit, we jerk we know say
Yes.
it's done by that time.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, within a certain. in a certain time frame.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But I'm from the wood.
Looking good, you know, the town is, you know, picking up with patrons, so maybe later, you know, I may pass through and see how busy the area becomes.
Later on, the people them go out of the place and know say,
yes.
Later on, no chicken in the pan, you put chicken in the pan.
Okay.
Yeah, man, but, you know, and you see the color them pretty.
Yes, yeah man, nice and pretty man.
And as we see again,
yes.
and as the color alone, the taste.
Taste is there.
Gone.
Okay.
Good man. Good.
So sounding good man.
It's good man.
But 3 persons available. You know, seem like there's a variety of stuff available station. Afternoon, sirs. I pass through, you know, look on your operation. Yes. Can't look in your pan. The one that, no man, it doesn't matter man if you're raw or not. It's just a different stage. But this would have been the first stage, you know, the chicken is being placed on the pan. You know, with charcoal. So that's one pan. And then you have the second pan, these are near ready. Right? More of a natural look. Right? So this seems to be a more established area in prepare or is available for serving. You have soup available also? What soup you have? Oh. So we have, you know, soup available, cow skin, chicken foot, you know, in the Caribbean area we normally have some fat. Patron wise, you know. You can go on, because you have your own customer base.
Yes, man.
Okay. So sounding good. You know, just want, you know, have an idea, you know,
Yes, sir.
the whole operation. For rice and peas, and you know, rice and peas is being served from the big pot, right? And we have the good old jerk pork originated from Portland, right? So we have different barbecue, and originally we would have the Boston style jerk, right? Looking nice, you know, flavorful. But what type of dressing and what sauce you normally put with your pork?
We'll take the one sauce.
Oh, you normally make your own jerk sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounding good. Okay. But like ketchup or pepper, does that go with it too?
With a little ketchup.
With a little? Okay. But it depends on what the customer would want.
Well, you just make it, them like the salad.
Okay. Oh, they like the sauce.
One type and they like it.
Oh. Okay. You have any? I could have a look at it.
Yeah.
Okay. Finish your sauce. It is centrally located, you know, in between the two. So we would have looked at one, you know, where some coloring is being placed on the chicken. This is more natural, you know. People, you know, we have to be a little healthier, you know, as we go daily. Oh, so that's a nice homemade sauce. Okay, and you say the patrons love it. Okay, well, you have to just continue to do it, right? How they like it. All right, thank you very much. Cool. Approaching the third jerk center. Well, more of pan chicken. Right, so it's 2 pan, you know, one for preparation it seems.
Yeah.
And then as soon as you finish you move to the... Okay. So it's only chicken alone that you jerk? Oh. Good old Trenton.
Yeah, good old Trenton.
Yeah. Okay.
And fish.
And fish. Okay, so you do a little fish. Oh, fish is in the foil.
Yeah, fish.
Okay. All right. Good. So like when seals normally pick up, like approaching the night or so.
Yeah, in the night.
Okay.
Sometimes it pick up in the day too, but
yes.
Mostly in the night.
Okay. All right. Good. All right. So what you normally serve with the chicken?
Serve festival and bread.
Oh, festival and bread. Let's call it festival, you know, fried dumpling.
Yes, man.
Yes. Okay, all right. Part of my special. Okay. Festival. Yeah. All right, sir. Looking nice and golden. Yeah, floating on the aisle. Good. And soup. big pot of soup. That's it. Fish or is it pork? Oh, this is the real Chentan. All right, looking nice and chunky, you know. Yeah. And soup. Wow, big pot of soup. All right. Oh, bless him. So how long you have been in the business?
8 years.
8 years. Okay. Oh, 8 years. And going. Well, you can call yourself a veteran.
No more small.
Yes. I think you know jerk in Santa Cruz is a good business.
Yeah,
you know, I think it's a good business. Yeah, and it's healthy. Yes. You know, you get rid of most of the oil.
Yes.
Yeah, most of the oil from the food. All right. Thank you very much for your time, sir.
And same to you.
All right. Bless you.
All right.